Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing the top coat video that I promised. It's a clear pouring coat, top coat by DecoArt. We're going to be doing that. It's fairly cold here today, so I'm hoping that doesn't really matter because there's no insulation in this shed, so we'll have to see how that works. It is a measly 3 degrees Celsius here today in Ireland. And 90% humidity, so we'll see how that goes. Today's video we're going to be doing fire and ice. Fire. That one's ice. So I'm going to be getting that set up. I'm going to be setting them up. I'm going to be doing 2 coats, possibly maybe 3. But I'm going for a thick coat, so I've never used this stuff, so this is going to be a review of, well, that top coat really, right? So yeah, let me get set up for that and we'll be right back. Alright, so that's the first coat done. We'll come back tomorrow or whenever it's dry to see the rest, but I will show you what it looks like right now. To say it, before I say my full review when it's all done, that was hard for me because I'm not used to doing varnishing like that before. I'm normally used like a spray. Do I have any here? No, don't have anything, but I used the aerosol varnish before, and like it's good, like, but it's not the best, but I've heard great things about this, so I'm excited to see what it's like. But yeah, I'll show you what it looks like right now. As you can see, it kind of has like a dull kind of white look, but apparently it dries clear, so that's cool. Yeah, blue is the one I had the most trouble with, but it says on the bottle to leave dry at a 45-degree angle. I know that's not 45 degrees, but it's pretty close. But yeah, we'll come back tomorrow and see how it is. So I'll see you then. Okay, welcome back. The paintings are dry now. It's been 2 days and I put 1 coat on, but it came out very well, so let me show you that now. Okay, so there you have it. There's the two paintings. They came out very well. I only need to put one coat on them. I found out why I was having trouble with the blue one. It was very thick and wasn't able to really flow as well. But that was because it was too cold. I always do this. I never read the bottle fully. Like, I read the bottle, but not all of it, and it says, don't let it. Well, it didn't freeze, but it was very cold. It was 3 degrees Celsius up here, which is like, I don't know, like 30, between 30 and 40 Fahrenheit. And it says don't drop below 50 Fahrenheit, so that's why it was so thick and not able to flow as well. But I want to show you a comparison between where the two of them is the same, and then I have another painting that I ran down to the living room and brought it up. It's what I used, the spray aerosol I have on it. As you can see, I'll pop it up on the video on screen. It's very smooth and glossy, and I put about 2 or 3 coats on it, and it takes about 10 minutes to dry. It's faster, and it's the way to do it if you want it done fast. Anyway, but as you can see, there's kind of like a texture across it. Like, it's a smooth texture, but it's not as smooth as the DecoArt TopCoat. And I will be buying the DecoArt TopCoat from now on instead of the aerosol. I will be, and I already have bought some. I bought some during the Black Friday sales. So yeah, I have 2 more bottles of it inside. I got it pretty cheap. It was, instead, I looked on Amazon. It was, it came to about €36 on Amazon for about the same amount that DecoArt sent me, which was 16 ounces. And then I went to a website that I use here in Ireland called Cork Art Supplies, and they're like probably one of my favourites. Like, next day shipping, just absolutely brilliant. I bought it on there. I had to buy 2 8-ounce bottles, which it was grand. Like, it's just like half. So you just need 2 of them, and plus it was cheaper. It came to €26 including shipping, and it came the next day. If I would have bought it on Amazon, it would have been €10 more expensive, and probably taken like a week to come. So I'm very grateful to have a website like that here. So if you live in Ireland, I'm not sure if they do international shipping, maybe to England, but definitely check it out. I'll leave a link down in the description for this. Like, it's one of the best to have web sales on and stuff. You just spend so much money on there. Don't go there. No, do go there. Go there and check them out for some cheap art supplies. But yeah, thumbs up for me. DecoArt makes some awesome TopCoat varnish. So the video just cut out there just at the end, but I got what I wanted to say out. Yeah, definitely go check out DecoArt's TopCoat and their pouring medium. With 2 of them together, just makes phenomenal. Like, just ease. It's so much easier using DecoArt stuff. Like, I use my own pouring medium, and I'll link it up in the top button there. But yeah, that's, if you want to try my one, I'll link it up there. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.